Hello, my name is Gabe. For this problem, we're told that the terminal side of an angle theta lies on the line y equals negative x, and we're asked to find the exact values of the 6 trigonometric functions, knowing that the terminal side of our angle theta lies in quadrant 2. Since we have the line y equals negative x, any negative x value that we choose will give us a point in quadrant 2, because our x value will be negative and our y value will be positive. So we can choose any negative x value we would like to work through this problem. For us, let's choose x equals negative 1. Now to find the y value, let's substitute this into our equation. So negative 1 is equal to 1. So what this tells us is that the point negative 1, 1 lies on the terminal side of our angle. The next thing we would like to compute is our value r. So recall that r is equal to the square root of x squared plus y squared. And here, since the x value is negative 1 and the y value is 1, we have r is equal to the square root of negative 1 squared plus 1 squared. Since negative 1 squared is 1, we have r is equal to the square root of 2. Now, to find the exact values of each of our 6 trig functions, we just have to recall the definitions of each of our 6 trig functions. Sine of theta is equal to y divided by r, which is equal to 1 divided by the square root of 2, which is equal to the square root of 2 divided by 2. Cosine of theta is equal to x divided by r, which is equal to negative 1 divided by the square root of 2, which is equal to negative square root of 2 divided by 2. Tangent of theta is equal to y divided by x, which is equal to 1 divided by negative 1, which is equal to negative 1. Cosecant of theta is equal to r divided by y, which is the square root of 2 divided by 1, which is equal to the square root of 2. Secant of theta is equal to r divided by x, which is the square root of 2 divided by negative 1, which is equal to negative square root of 2. And finally, cotangent of theta is equal to x divided by y is equal to negative 1 divided by 1, which is equal to negative 1. Thank you.